Welcome to Nocatee's West End. I'm Claude Ball, and today I'm giving you a tour of the Castillo, another stunning townhome by ICI Homes, a top home builder here in Northeast Florida. This gorgeous townhome offers 3 beds, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and 1,680 square feet. Perfect for living in the heart of Nocatee. Let's step inside, shall we? Well, that's a wrap on our tour of the Castillo by ICI Homes in Nocatee's West End. At $468,000, this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome is a gem in the heart of Nocatee. If you're interested in a private showing of this home or any other, I'm here to help. Just reach out, 559-281-2255. Please give that like button a little tappy. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on new videos you don't want to miss. I'm Claude Ball, veteran realtor at your service. Have a blessed day.